Bonjour mes amis, welcome to my channel where we make learning French fun and easy. And today we're diving into the part 2 of French greetings. In the last video we did the part 1, which was more of informal way of greeting in French, but in this one we are going to learn how to greet somebody in French in a formal manner. So greetings in the French are salutation, salutation. So let's get started. First one, so when we want to say hello or good morning to somebody formally, we say bonjour, bonjour. And then when we want to ask how are you, then we say comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous. In response, you'll say je vais bien et vous, je vais bien et vous, which means I'm doing well and you. And then je vais bien aussi, that means I'm also doing well. Aussi here means also, so je vais bien aussi. The next ones are à demain, à demain, that means see you tomorrow. À bientôt means see you soon. À bientôt. Bonne journée, that means have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée, that means have a good evening. Bonne soirée. So let's repeat one last time. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien et vous? Je vais bien aussi. À demain. À bientôt. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. And that's it. So now you know how to greet people in French like a pro. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and that you feel more confident with your French now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And of course, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you use these greetings in your daily life. Merci beaucoup for watching and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!